Good morning! Yan. Actually, kakain na kami ng anak ko. It's already 1:45. So, kaluluto ko lang ng brunch namin. Dahil may exam siya, nilutuan ko siya ulit ng egg pizza. And, yan. So, I show you my cacao powder. So, for my black coffee. Yes. So, 1 teaspoon naman yan. Maliit. Konti lang. Like this. Happy birthday to you! Yan. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yan. See? So, I make mushroom egg pizza. Sa ilalim niya, niluto ko yung mushroom in butter or cow ghee. It's fatty acid. It's good for our mitochondria. And my cacao, black coffee. Also, my yogurt. Yan, ginawan ko ng like siguro mga 20 minutes basil seed. So, imimix ko na siya. Yan yung pinaka-probiotic ko. Then, we eat together. Ganun lang. Kasi yung mga yogurt po na nabibili natin na may flavor, nawawala po yung probiotic niya. So, plain yogurt lang po. Greek yogurt. No? And, this pizza egg mushroom, pininch ko po siya ng malunggay powder. So, parang may design siya. So, I put also cheese and this is other mushroom. Gustong-gusto yan eh. Naku, inuunahan ako ng baby ko. Wait lang na. Mamaya ka na. Okay? Okay, mamaya na. Like kang gutom eh. Sige na. So, that's it. And, I want to reveal na we need to eat half kilo meat a day. So, nako-confuse kasi tayo sa red meat and white meat. Lalo na yung, actually, kung wala ka namang kidney failure, you can eat red meat because this is the best anti-inflammation. Ang mga red meat po, like beef. And all meat like pork, beef, chicken, and other eggs and seafood, fish, and also the salmon. It's good in our body. Kasi nandun po ang amino acid is help our body boost. No, huwag tayong matakot kumain yan. Tapos niluto mo po siya sa butter or olive oil, avocado oil, lard, tallow, or coconut oil. Yan ang meron tayo sa Pilipinas because this is combination of fatty acids and amino acid para mag-ketones po yung katawan natin, para mag-heal po tayo naturally and mag-lose weight tayo naturally, natural botox, not lost hair, and aging, and correct your appetite, and your body will be balanced. You feel it and listen to your body. You know, try to experiment. Kasi kung matagal ka nang nagme-maintenance, matagal nang naglo-loss weight, ano na yung buhok mo, nakita na yung anit mo, try to do something na
Look, there's Netflix.
Ba talaga sinasabi ng ano, kasi Dr. Fong yung ni-reveal niya na some doctor are not telling the truth. Yes. So, check the code or the diabetes code, and you will see our biology of our body. So, meron tayong natural healing, no? Kasi gumaling na po ako at ayoko magkaroon ng tumor. And I'm continue my best version of me, no? Kasi I need to more lose weight pa and correct my appetite. Minsan nadadapa talaga ako. Not play now, not play. Later. Okay, I know you're hungry. Wait lang. And kain na kami, bon appetit, and stay local.